Hi, today we are going to work on two problem solving, one from Perfect Competition and one from Monopoly to see how it works using Excel. So this is the first problem posted for you on Canvas, Chapter 7 More Applications, and I already wrote down these numbers in Excel so we can use Excel to make our life easier, do some calculation faster. And next we are going to work on this problem from Chapter 8 More Applications, the same way. Okay, let's start with Chapter 7. Let's see what we have. We have a perfectly competitive business, catering, and we have, this is the data given, quantity, which is number of meals, of course, variable cost in dollars, and we are asked to calculate to maximize profit how many meals, what is the Q star, optimum number of meals that this business should provide. Given that the price that we sell one meal for is 21. So let's see, what do we have to do here? Well, we have the rule that Q star is where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. We don't have marginal revenue, we don't have marginal cost. Actually, we do have marginal revenue. Marginal revenue equals price in perfectly competitive market, which is 21. So we have that. But we do have to calculate marginal cost. To be able to calculate marginal cost, we need total cost. We only have variable cost. Now let's see. We know total cost from previous module last week. Total cost is variable cost plus fixed cost. Let's see, can we figure out our fixed cost? If we read the problem, we figure out that this is our fixed cost. Kate machinery costs 100 per day and is only fixed input. So any fixed cost in dollar related to fixed inputs, those are going to be our fixed cost. In our case, $100. Okay, so this is our fixed cost. And now we can calculate total cost as fixed cost plus variable cost plus fixed cost. Let's see what we have. That's my total cost. Okay, so now we have total cost. Now let's see, marginal cost. Marginal cost is the change in total cost divided by change in output. So let's see what we have. Change in total cost. For the first one, we don't have anything because we don't know the previous total cost to be able to calculate here. Now for this level of output, 10 meals, change in total cost is 300 minus 100, which is 100, divided by change in output, 10 minus 0 is 10. So 100 divided by 10 is 10. Over here, 400 minus 300, 100, divided by 20 minus 10, 10. So this is going to be 100 divided by, well, actually here was 20 because it's 300 minus 100, which is 200. Here is 10. 580 minus 400 is 180, divided by 10 is 18. 800 minus 580, this is 220, divided by 10 again, 40 minus 30, 10. So this is going to be 22. And 1100 minus 800, which is 300, divided by change in output 10 again, this is going to be 30. So we have our marginal cost. Let's see, what about marginal revenue? Well, marginal revenue only for perfect competition market structure equals price. We do have price, is given in the problem, 21. So that's my price. So now let's think about that. We know that optimum quantity Q star is where my marginal revenue equals marginal cost. In this case, if you look over the numbers, they are never equal. If that's the case, we have to stop at the level of output where marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost. We cannot go below that level because we lose money then. So let's see, for this level of output, Q, marginal revenue greater than marginal cost, we produce more. Marginal revenue greater than marginal cost, produce more. Marginal revenue greater than marginal cost, produce more. Marginal revenue is below marginal cost, so we have to go back to this level of output that's the last one where marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost. That's going to add to my profit. So consequently, my Q star is going to be 30 mils. Well, do you really believe that? Well, let's check. This optimum quantity, Q star 30 mils, is supposed to give me my maximum profits. Let's calculate profits to find out. Profits is total revenue minus total cost. Do we have total revenue? Let's look. We don't have. So let's calculate total revenue as price times quantity. So quantity is this one, price is this one. So let's see. Plus quantity times price. That's my total revenue. Okay. And profit is going to be total revenue minus total cost. That's my total revenue and that's my total cost. Those are the columns we are going to use in our calculations. So total revenue minus total cost. Okay, that's my profit. Let's look at these numbers. Where is my maximum? That's a loss, minus 100, loss 20, 50. That's my maximum profit. So yes, that's going to give me, if I produce 30 mils, I get maximum profit of $50. It can be in thousands. Numbers seem little, but sometimes we can express them in thousands for the ease of calculations. So I hope it helps on your calculations when you work on the next problem solving assigned in Canvas Module 4.